Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. Today we are going to be tying scarves in multiple ways. I've got quite a few tricks for you. I've got a short scarf and a long scarf to demonstrate with, so we're going to have great fun today. Get all your knitted scarves out and we'll work it out together. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with Knitting Nada to help you learn to knit the easy way. So once you've knitted your fabulous scarves, what are you going to do with them? How are you going to wear them? That's what we're looking at today. I have got a short scarf and a long scarf, and I'm going to help you work out how to wear them in different ways so that you can mix and match them with all sorts of different outfits. Okay, so if you're not subscribed and you'd like to start knitting your own scarves, then do subscribe. I've got lots of help for you if you want to start knitting, and I can help you with all of that. Let's get to it. Let's start wearing our scarves, and I'll show you all of the different ways you can wear them. So the first one is easy. It is just looping it around your neck, letting it hang down the front, and you're going to be really comfortable with that. If you've got a longer scarf, you can make it double around your neck. And if you want the third option, you can do an easy over. That is just wrapping it around your neck and moving one long length around your back. So you've got one hanging down, one end hanging down your front and one end hanging down your back. Right, and then we have an easy tie. We can just tie it so it's sitting on your shoulder. You've got one going down your back and one going down your front. If you have a longer scarf, you can wrap it around your neck before you tie it. The next one is tie front. You can tie it so it is wrapped all the way around your neck, and just do a quick tie in the front. Make sure you've got the lovely piece of knitting so you can see all the nice stitches hanging down the front, and you can really appreciate all of the hard work that's gone into your knitting your scarf. And again, if you have the longer scarf, you can wrap it around your neck all the way around before you set up the knot. The next one is an easy loop. I love this one. This is my favourite. No matter how long my scarf is, I will fold it in half and use the loop to just push through the other ends. It's really comfortable. It can mean you've got a nice lot of padding, a nice lot of cosy fabric around your neck. With a longer scarf, you can do the double loop. That is, you can move one length round through the single loop, as if you're doing the easy loop, and then you're going to do a twist where you've got the loop and pull the other end through that second loop. Nice and easy. It's just a different effect, and you'll see that you can make sure, again, that your knitted fabric is being shown off so you can see exactly what you've got. The next one is making a cowl out of your scarf. Wrap it around your neck, tuck the ends in so that it's really comfortable, really nice and cozy. And you're going to have a much longer cowl, obviously, much more cozy cowl with the longer scarf. You can do this so that it's even looser with a longer scarf. The next one is wrap it around your neck and then tuck just one end in, so you have an easy cowl. You have one end hanging down the front so that it looks, it's covering up your front a little bit, but it's really nice and cozy around your neck. There you go. Have you sorted out your scarves now? Which one of these is your favourite? Which one of these do you do the most if you're walking out the house on a cosy day and you really need to get cozy? Thank you so much for joining me today. Do subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and put in the comments which one of these you use most often. I'd love to know. Okay then, I'll see you again soon. I'll be back again next Tuesday. I'm here every Tuesday with a new video. Thanks for joining me. Bye, happy knitting. Right, now I've got to do all of these while I'm filming.